Hey guys, back at it again, do another weekend project. Today we're going to do something simple, easy, and fixable. We're going to change the ABS sensor on this 2003 Toyota Sequoia. Let me go ahead and show you the part number real quick. Got this ABS sensor from Amazon. This is the part number if you like. Pretty simple job, guys. First step, let's go and remove the wheel. Alright guys, so the first step, we're going to go and remove the ABS bolt. You're only going to use a 10mm 1/4 ratchet. And the first step, this is actually the ABS sensor, and that is a 10mm bolt we're going to go and remove. So let's go and remove that real quick. Alright guys, once we remove the 10mm bolt, we're going to gently pry this ABS sensor, and depending where you live in the United States, if you live in Southern California, this will just pop up like so. But if you live in the East Coast, you might get a flathead screwdriver and just pry it between the ABS sensor and just pry slowly up until it comes out. Alright, so now that we have that, we're going to come on this side, and I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little small plastic clip. All you need is a flathead screwdriver or anything you have close to it, and just pop these two clips like so, and then that should allow us to freely get this little clip connector. And then yours should have a 12mm bolt. Mine didn't have it. It's just a little zip tie that's holding that. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can break it off, since we are replacing. Let's see. Alright, there we go. And that's gonna free up this bracket here. And then we're gonna hit another 10mm bolt. So it's gonna remove that. Alright, once that's removed, we have one last 10mm bolt. Let's see if I could show you. It's right there. If you can see that, we're going to remove that 10mm bolt. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. And for this one, that's the reason why you definitely want to use a small ratchet like this. Let's see if it fits in there. Just barely fits in there. So I'm gonna remove that, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright guys, so once we remove this last 10mm bolt, that's gonna free up this ABS sensor bracket. And then after you get to this part, there's this little clip that's basically covering this. Just pry it out like so, and then just bring down that little clip, and that shall expose. If I get these two as well, that should expose the ABS. We're gonna go ahead and push this little tab in here, but we're gonna also remove just like a small little clip here holding the ABS like so, and then we're gonna go ahead and pry this out see this clip. See if I can do it one hand. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. Once you push the clip, this should slide evenly. And this is going to be your ABS sensor. So what I recommend you do, there's just going to be this clip we're going to go ahead and remove. Let's see if the new one has it. Let's see here. Let me open that up. Alright guys, so this is the new ABS wheel sensor. Always compare the length and see how it has the brackets. I believe this is a little bit same size like this. And the reason why I'm replacing this ABS, because a few weeks ago it broke. Actually it snapped on me, so I just kind of like did a quick fix, but it didn't work out because my ABS light came on my truck. So we're gonna do everything in reverse order, guys. Pretty easy. Just clip this back in place. Make sure it snaps, and then let's put this little clip back in here. Make sure it snaps, and then we're gonna go put this up here, and we're gonna go ahead and put this bracket. Don't forget it's a 10mm bolt. We're gonna put this other bracket in here like so, and this one like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this back here, and just gonna remove the plastic protective shield, and we're just gonna gently put this in here and bolt that back. Alright guys, hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.